For this yummy meal prep bowl, you will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 to 2 cups of mushrooms, 1 whole bell pepper, 1 whole purple onion, Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and 1/4 cup of beef broth. For this recipe, we are also using cooked rice, but you can substitute the rice for cauliflower or couscous or quinoa if you would like as well. Those are much healthier options and alternatives to white rice. As I mentioned, I'm going to be using ground beef for this recipe, but you can also use ground turkey. It is a leaner option. It also is high in vitamin B, and it does contain less fat than ground beef does. Now that our meat is halfway cooked, we're going to toss in our vegetables. We're going to toss in a cup of mushrooms, 1 whole purple onion. So lastly, we added in our green bell pepper. The green bell pepper is a very resourceful vegetable. It is very high in antioxidants and vitamins, and both of those are very beneficial to your eye health. Now that we have all of these yummy vegetables added, we're going to cook them until the meat is cooked and the vegetables are softened. Now that the meat is thoroughly cooked and the vegetables are softened, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1/4 cup of beef broth. And lastly, we just want to go ahead and add in 1 to 2 cups of provolone cheese or Colby Jack cheese. Either way, both cheeses are a great source of calcium and a part of our daily nutrients. Now that your cheese is added, you just want to swish this around, fold it in, and combine it with your meat and vegetables, so that way everything is nice and sticky together. After you do the combining and you do serve this dish up, you can also add cheese on top if you're a fan of cheese like I am. It costs roughly $4 per serving and is 240 calories per serving. It also contains 17 grams of carbs, 15 grams of protein, and 10 grams of fat.